Welcome to this award-winning model, the New Orleans. This floor plan can be found at Abberly at Southpoint in Fredericksburg, Virginia. This floor plan offers you 1,194 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and 2 full baths. Find your inner chef in this state-of-the-art kitchen. Enjoy sleek modern finishes like nickel hardware, mocha cabinetry, and sparkling granite countertops. Kitchen storage is a must with 42-inch upper cabinets and a pantry. The New Orleans has you covered. Your kitchen offers a breakfast bar, which flows seamlessly into your dining area, which also opens up to the living space. This open concept makes dinner parties a reality. Just off the living area, you will find a space for outdoor lounging. Start your day with a fresh breeze and a cup of coffee in the luxury of your own private patio or balcony. Equipped with dual owner suites, this floor plan is perfect for 2 roommates, a guest suite, or a family that needs a little extra privacy. But don't worry, the second bathroom is accessible from the hall too, so your guests are covered. Both bedrooms offer a ton of natural light, large walk-in closets, and all the space you need. Your en-suites invite you to soak your cares away in oversized garden tubs, and the main ensuite includes a double sink vanity. With a full-size washer and dryer, linen closet, and coat closet, this home is the one you've dreamed of. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, visit AbberlySouthpoint.com. Abberly Southpoint is a part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of all our apartments and locations, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.